Good morning, students. Now I am taking chapter algebra, third chapter, second chapter. After I am take now listen algebra. Okay, last year you studied in algebra. Studied no ma? Yes. Whatever you studied, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Some identities and all using that a plus b whole squared, a minus b whole squared, a squared minus b squared, and x plus a into x plus b. Okay, all are know the formula also. Okay, now I am taking whatever you studied in last year. I am taking there. You know the consonants, variables, like terms, unlike terms, coefficient, numerical and algebraic expressions and all you know. So what is the meaning of variable? I recall the subject now. All the one listen the class. Okay, last year you studied monomial. What is the meaning of monomial? Monomial meaning is only one term is called the monomial. Two terms is called binomial. Two terms is called binomial. Three terms is called trinomial. More than three terms is called polynomial. Example, a squared plus b squared. How many terms and all there have? This is one algebraic expression. What is the meaning of now expression you know? So this is called the one algebraic expression. So all the letter must use in the small letter. Now how many terms? A squared is one term. Second sum, how do they start? Here plus symbol is there. Suppose they are having minus symbol also. Second term is started there. Now a squared. Second term is started for that given in the plus symbol b squared. So the a squared is first term plus b squared is the second term. So how many terms is there have? Two terms. Two terms is called binomial. Two terms is called the binomial. Next, a only one term is there. Have any symbol also the next not start. This is how many terms and all there have the second summer? Only one term. One term is called, what is that one? Monomial. Monomial. Third sum, 8x squared minus 4xy plus 7y squared x. How many terms see there? 8x squared is first term, minus 4xy is the second term, plus symbol also started, plus 7y squared x is the third term. So how many terms is, and all there have three terms. Three terms is called the trinomial. Three terms trinomial. A plus b plus c. How many terms? A is one term, plus b is another one term, plus c is another one term. So three terms is called the trinomial. Next sum, a squared b squared is one term, plus c squared is second term, minus a b c squared is third term. Next, a plus 3abc is the third term, plus 3. How many terms and all there have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 3 terms is called the polynomial. Now I started numerical coefficient. What is the meaning of numerical coefficient? Example, 2x squared minus 5xy plus 6x squared minus 7x minus 10y plus 9. So okay, how many terms there have? See there, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So one by one you write after you find it that one. First one, coefficient of 2x squared is equal to, what is the meaning of numerical? Numer to start the number. Number only you write it enough with the symbol. So 2x squared you closed up. What is the coefficient of x squared? 2. So what is the answer you write? 2 only write enough. Next second term, coefficient of minus 5xy is equal to xy. X and y is the variable. For minus 5 is the number. So numerical coefficient for close the variable. What is the number is there? Minus 5. Next question, next term, coefficient of plus 6y squared. 6y squared. You close the y squared. What is the number is there? Plus 6. Coefficient of plus 7x equal to plus 7. Coefficient of minus 10y equal to minus 10. Coefficient of 9. So 9 here is any English letter also they are not. So 9 is the constant. This is for not have the coefficient. So 9 is what is that one consonant. 9 is the consonant. Why there any variables also they are not. Number only separately have. This is called the consonant. Next example sum you see. There are second question, x by 3 plus 2y by 5 minus xy plus 7 is the second example sum. So coefficient of x by 3 is, what is the answer? You writing by 3? No, this is wrong. So how many x term is there? Only one x is there. How many x is there? One x is there. So now you close the x. What is the number? Numerator number 1. So you write in what the right? 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Should not write in 3 by 3 and all, no need to write. So any number also that not have in variable near, you write it 1. So 1 by 3 is the coefficient. Next, coefficient of 2xy plus 2y by 5. Coefficient of plus 2y by 5. You close the variable. What is the number? Plus 2 by 5. You write in plus 2 by 5. Next question, next step, coefficient of minus xy. So xy for how many minus xy is there? Have a minus 1 xy is there. So you close now the variable. What is the answer? Minus 1. Next, coefficient of 7. So any variables also they are not have. So 7 is the consonant. Now you know the variable, expression, consonant, terms, monomial, binomial, polynomial, trinomial and all you know. Next, like terms, unlike terms. What is the meaning of like terms, unlike terms? X squared means x squared. Symbol no need to consider. Term only see. X squared means x squared is the like term. X is the like term. Next, P, see here 8p is there, have here 2 by 3p is there, have these two also like terms. So consider this like only like terms and unlike terms. For example, see there minus example, the variable of the terms along with their respective exponents must be same. Exponent must be same is called the like terms. X squared 4x squared, a squared b squared minus 5a squared. Here too only selector writing there. Next, 2m, minus 7m, m, a squared, b squared, a squared, b squared, x squared, x squared. This is the respective exponents must be same. This is called the like terms. Now I start the example sum. Example first sum. See there are example 3.1. If the length and breadth of a rectangular painting are 4xy cube and 3x squared y, find its area. See, they are given in the pictures. Rectangle shape is they are given 4xy cube and 3x squared y. This is the length equal to 4xy cube. B, breadth B equal to 3x squared y. What is there asking there? Find its area. Find its area. So area of the rectangle is, what is the formula? L into B square units. Area of the rectangular painting, capital letter A equal to L into B. Given the number, given the two expression also, the write it in there. What is the value of L value? 4xy cube. What is the value of B value? 3x squared y. These two number multiple first. So how to the writing first? See there 4xy cube for 4. Here in here any symbol also they are not have, you write in into 4 into x into y cube. 4 into x into y cube. Must use in the symbol, into symbol, otherwise come the mistakes only first. How to expand this 3x squared y? 3 into x squared into y. Now number, 2 number is there. What is the number? 4 and 3. 4 and 3, first you multiple, all the one multiplication symbol only. 4 3s are 12. Very good. Next here x term is there. Here have the term is, what is the term? X square term. How to the here multiple? Here power is, what is the power? 1. 1 plus 2. There you write first x only you want to join there. Join after you write in x. 1 time x writing is enough. Power, how to the write? Here power any number also there not 1. Here have the number is, what is the number? 2. So 1 plus 2 you add the power number. 2 plus 1 is 3 into y equal to y you join there. Here power is 3. Here power is any power also there not. What is the power? 1 is there. 3 plus 1 is 4. How to the multiple the power number you know or not? Same like terms, x you join, next y you join, x to power is any number also there not means you write it 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus y term is 3 plus 1 is 4. So now understand the sum or not? Easy or not? Now exercise 3.1, complete the table. Okay, this sum I explain now. Which identity first use there? A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A is the variable. Here a is the variable. These two variables also same variable. So you write in one time. This into for power number you must add and write. So a power m plus n, same variable. What is the variable here? A one time write. Power number, suppose they are given in 4, here 3 means 4 plus 3 is 7, add and write. This concept only use and do this multiplication. First work, any number, any variable near not have the number you write in 1. Any symbol also there not means you write in plus symbol. Power for not have the number for write in number 1. Now clear? Now here not have the symbol you write, put in the plus symbol. Here 1 number also there not, symbol also there not. Dash after you write. Now here write in number. Here power is 1, here power is 1. Here power is 1, 1, 1. Any number power is there not means you write in 1. Any variable near not have the number for you write in the 1. Any variable near not have the symbol for also write in plus symbol. Next see here 2x plus right. Here minus also there have 2. Here x power is 1, y power is 1. Next symbol there not have, number also there not have. So you put in plus 1. Here plus symbol x power 1, y power 1, z power 1. Here write in 1, here power is 1. Now clear, first work complete. This column for here dash is there given. So what is there given there? Dash. You put in the bracket only. Dash is there given. So this dash value you first to find. This dash value for see this column, these 2 straightly you come for, here 10 is answer is there given. 2 straightly you come for, you give there given in the answer is, what is the answer? 10. So these 2 to which number multiple for you get it, the answer is 10. These 2 from which number multiple you get it, the answer is 10. 2 5s are 10. So this bracket for you write in 5. There give the answer is minus. Here also plus value. Here also plus value. There 5 also plus value. Here come the answer is minus value. So these 5 near you write in minus symbol. Now their question answer is, what is the answer? Minus 5 x power 1 z square. Write it again there. Otherwise confuse only that bracket. Now here you see dash is there given. Answer also one answer is there given. What is the answer is there given? 4x power 5 y power 4 is there given in book from. So dash. Here what is the number is there? 1. 1 to which number multiple and get the answer is 4. 1 4 is 4. So here write it 4 first. Plus symbol for put in the plus symbol also there. X power 4. Here have the number is x power 5. So one more x is need the write in x power 1 is you write x power 1 you write. Here have y cube. Here have the answer is y power 4. So one more y is there needed for you write in y power 1. Next, last step for have in the dash. Here have the number is minus 14. Up you see that's 14 straightly you see there 2. 2 to which number multiply and get the answer is 14 minus 7. So this dash from you write in minus 7. First work is over. X power 1 here also x power is 1 power only. Y value also 1 here also y value also 1. Here z value is 1 here z value is 2. So one more z you only need there. So z power 1 you write it. Now all the dash is complete after you multiply the number. Now how to the multiple, see very carefully. These two number you multiple. Plus 1 x power 4 into plus 2 x squared. Okay, you put the bracket also, not confuse. Okay, now clear? Plus you multiple the symbol. Plus into plus plus. 1 2 is 1 by 1 right after write the answer. 1 2 is 2. Here x power 4 there x power 2. 4 plus 2 add 4 after 5 6. These two number add and write 2 power 6. Okay, first step is completed. Next plus 1 x power 4 into minus 2 x power 1 y power 1 multiple the number. Confuse for you put in the another one color for bracket. Okay, in between symbol is into symbol. First multiple the symbol. Plus into minus minus. 1 2 is 2. Here x power 4 there x power 1. X power 4 plus 1 is 5. Y term is there have you write in one time, write it that number same also write. Power 1 write also write correct, not write means also correct there. First column first number is plus 1 x power 4 into plus 2 x power 1 y power 1 z power 1. How to their multiple, see there. 1 in plus into plus, first multiple the symbol. Plus into plus plus. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Here x power 4 here x power 1. So x power 4 plus 1 is 5. Here have the y term, here have that z term. They are not offer, no problem. You write in x, sorry, y, z you write. Power 1 you write, right means also correct, not right means also correct there. Here then before see there plus into plus plus you write. Very good. Next 1 into 1 is 1. Here x power 4 there, here also x power 4 you write in x power 4 plus 4 is 8. Next here y is there not have, here second bracket for y term is there have, so you write in y cube. Here not have, adding for not have the variable, you no need to think. As it is there, what is there have, you write it here enough. Next one multiple the symbol. Plus into minus minus. 1 5 is, I put the arrow mark, you also use in the put the arrow mark and write it. 1 5 is 5. 1 step, 1 line draw after only write. X power 4 x power 1. 4 plus 1 is same like term you write in, same variable you write in x. 4 plus 1 is 5. Z here not have, here have the z as it is. What is there have, z square you write it here z square only correct. Now clear, no your doubt. Next here second term there first term. Here second there upper letter for what is there have, you write it first. 4x power 1 y power 1 into plus 2x squared. So first multiple the number. Plus into plus plus. 4 2s are 1 4 is 4, 4 2s are 8. You should not write in 6. Here x power 1, here x power 2. So 1 plus 2 is, what is the answer? 3. Y power term only 1 only there have, you write in 1 also here correct, not right means also correct. Okay, next plus into minus minus. 4 2s are 8. X power 1 x power 1. X plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Y power 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 right. The third column there already written, you start in the fourth column. Here have the first number is plus 4x power 1 y power 1 into 2x power 1 into y power 1 into z power 1. First you multiply the number, plus into plus, plus 4 2s are 8. X power 1 into x power 1 equal to x power 2. Otherwise x into x square. Y power 1 into y power 1 is y power 2. Z term only one term, only there have you write it, Z only one here, right means also correct, not right means also correct there. Next term, plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. 4 5s are 20. X power 1, x power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Same variable write in one time. 1 plus 1 is 2. Y term is here have, here not have for, you write it y. 1 right means also correct, not right 1 means also correct. Here z squared is there have, not have z squared for, you write it here z squared. There x, y, z orderly write enough. Okay, 1 by 1 right after orderly write x next y, y next z. X means write the x not means leave it the x. Next one column I say and give remaining column and all you do one practice. Okay, yeah. Next here have the number is plus 2y squared z power 1. The up have the number is 2x squared. Plus into plus, plus 2 2s are 4. X squared term here have you write in x squared, there have in y squared, z is one term. Plus into minus is minus, 2 2s are 4. X term is x, y squared up. Here 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, z only one term, you write it here z. Next plus into plus, plus 1 2 is 2, x power 4, there not have. Y cube here y square, 2 plus 3 is 5, z term is one term. Z term is one term. Next plus into plus, plus 2 2s are 4. X one term for x you write, y squared into y power 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Z squared term here one term, there one term, 1 plus 1 is 2, z squared. Next term their book for their given. Remaining 2 column work you do one practice. Definitely come the answer. You have, if you have doubt you ask to me. See the first second sum. Find the product of the terms. Minus 2m, comma 2m whole squared, comma minus 3mn. Solution. Whatever given the number, write in the bracket. Minus 2mn. This comma for using the symbol is into symbol. 2m whole squared into minus 3mn. Should not forget the symbol into symbol. Why they are putting the into symbol? Product for using, must use in the symbol is multiplication. Next step, you remove the bracket and write in all the number. This number how like I am writing, see there, minus 2 into m into n into 2m squared for x squared for how to you write? See example, x squared how to write? X into x you writing. Here given in 2m squared for 2m into 2m into minus 3mn. Minus 3mn. Now see there numbers and all first you write. What is the number is there? Have a minus 2 first bracket, here also 2, here also 2, there minus 3. Okay, now m you join and write. Here have in 1 m, here have in 1 m into here have in 1 m, there have in 1 m. Next n term, here have in 1 n, here not have the n, so no need to consider. Their last have in n term, so write it n. Now clear the step or not? Next work, multiple the numbers. First multiple the number, plus in, minus into minus, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Multiple the number, should not add and write. Now easily count and write. How many m's? 1 2 3 4 m's. m power 4. How much n's there? 2 n's, n squared. Here no need to put in the into symbol. Here power is 1, power is 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So which identity is used there? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, 2 also using and writing there. Next question, 3x squared minus 3xy cube, comma x squared y squared. So write in the bracket, bracket in between what symbol the write, into symbol you write. First 3 into x squared into y into minus 3 into x into y cube into x squared into y squared. First you write in the symbol. Here only minus symbol is remaining, all the one is what symbol? Plus symbol. So write in plus into minus is what is the symbol you write? First minus. Number you multiple. First some expand and say and give. Here you startly you quickly do the work. 3 3 is a number, is what is the number? Is 2 number, only 2 number, here 1 here 1 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, you write first work. X term y term only there have, you write in x, here write in y. X here power is what is the power? 2. Here 1 term 1. Here power is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. X power 5. Y for here power is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Over. Very very easy the sums, multiplication sums. Next question.